Here is an example of piecewise functions within a word problem. So we have small town, South Carolina. A section of highway has a speed limit of 65 miles per hour. It's a small town. They don't have a whole lot going on. So if you speed and you get caught, you are going to get a fine. No bigger fish to fry here. So if you're caught speeding between 66 and 74 miles per hour, your fine starts at a base, your initial value $90, plus $5 for every mile per hour over 65. If you're doing 75 miles per hour and higher, so over 10, above, your base, your initial fine is starting at $185 plus $15 for every mile per hour over 75. So here's the piecewise function for this model. So the top piece says that if you're going between 66, so equal to 66 or greater, but below 75, you're going to fit into this top bracket and how they should calculate your ticket. If you're going equal to 75 or above, you're bumped up to the higher fee bracket. So say you've been pulled over twice. The first time you get pulled over, you were driving 70 miles per hour. Let's get your correct fine. We don't want to be overbilled for speeding on this highway. So 70 miles per hour, is that equal to 66 or above, but still strictly less than 75, or is that bigger than or equal to 75? Well, 70 is not bigger than or equal to 75. It's between 66 and 75, not included. So we're going to use this top bracket here. So we're going to do f of 70 equals 90 plus 5 times 70 minus 65. Replacing that x with a 70. So our initial fine, no matter what, was $90 plus $5 times however many miles per hour over 65 we were. So we have 90 plus 5 times we were 5 miles per hour over. We can plug it in just like that into our calculator, and our fine for going 70 miles per hour is going to be $115. Pretty steep for going 5 over in my opinion, but maybe I should just slow down. The next part says, what if you get caught again, and this time you're going 80 miles per hour? What should the appropriate fee be according to this scale? So we're going to figure out which piece of the piecewise we should plug into. So the top piece says we'll use that if we're between 66 and 75. Well, 80 miles per hour is not less than 75, but bigger than or equal to 66. It fits into this category. It is bigger than or equal to 75, so we need to use this higher fine scale. So we're going to do f of 80 equals, plugging into the bottom piece, 185 plus 15 times 80 minus 75. So I'm going to grab my calculator and plug this in. 185 plus $15 for every mile per hour I'm over 75 is going to give me a $260 fine for going 80 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour speed limit.